This is the visitor center at Giant City State Park. Very cool place. And who's that guy in front?
Oh,
and did you say you were going to dance? You did. All right, all right. He's happy to be here. What is this, Colin?
this is like a little container but full of beautiful creatures.
Yeah, these some of the animals you can see around here. Cool.
But they aren't real. I don't know where the snake is.
Yeah, where did the snake go? Didn't there used to be
There he is.
Where is he? Oh, back in there. Yeah. There's a snake.
Now come touch this bull cat.
Oh, yeah.
So you can come touch this.
Yeah, I'm gonna pet
It's
him.
a nice little buddy.
Yeah.
Here's some things that you could see here.
Magnificent millipedes. How to tell whether it's a millipede or a centipede. Oh, armadillo up there. See this one? Mink. Identify some poop. Mink poop, raccoon poop. Scientists don't usually say poop, they call poop scat. What is this, a beaver?
This is like a nice soft blanket if you want to feel him.
Wow, that's very soft. And this talks about what created the unique rock formations at Giant City State Park.
Things you can see here. We have the Giant City maze and the Devil's Table, because it looks like a table.
Table.
And then we have this rock that you can pass by, and it's so cool.
That's the balanced rock. And these are some of the rocks that make up this area, sandstone and shale. Oh, bird eggs that could be around here. What's that big one right there?
This one?
The bald eagle, it says. That's really big.
But the goose is probably the biggest.
That's a big one too. Canada goose.
Common turkey?
Turkey's pretty big. What's the tiniest one? Look at that. A ruby-throated hummingbird. It's like the size of a pill. Oh, look at this, that red-tailed hawk.
We're gonna watch a movie, I think.
You can explore.
So here's a little movie.
Oh, Cohen, what is that right there? Look at those giant trees. It says Ring of History. What does that mean? How can you tell how old a tree is? It's by the rings on the tree. Did you know that?
We're going on the Devil's Standtable Trail, nature trail, 1/3 of a mile. And it's like steps going up. It's raining, but we have a lot of tree cover, and it's not raining very much, so we're gonna be all right.
Hello.
Hello. Plus we have ponchos and raincoats.
Okay, how long do you think this is gonna take? Probably about an hour.
An hour?
Oh, we're not that slow. I'm getting slow.
Pretty big step.
Yeah. Giant steps.
Ooh, la la.
A little bit muddy here, so we're gonna go to the side. Big rock formations here. Wow.
Be careful, Mommy, don't slip.
No slipping. It's like a big slip and slide.
Wow, look at
Look
this.
at that. There's like a covered area here to take shelter under the rocks.
Whoa.
Yeah, go up here.
Okay, we're dry. I found shelter, guys.
Yeah. A little more headroom over here.
Okay. We got shelter.
This is cool, isn't it?
We found shelter. Dad,
Wow.
you happy we found shelter? It's so sheltery.
All these spots on these rocks. This is so cool. Wow.
Here we go, Grandma. I'm trying to help you over.
Okay. Hold tight.
Whee! Ninja style.
Wow.
That's cool.
Hey, Cohen, let's sing our song. Cause I'm on
Top of the world looking down on creation. It's the only explanation I can find.
And you're allowed to climb on this rock to rappel down it. There's some chains there, some clip-on points. So pretty cool. And we're going further in. This is really impressive, man. And here's a little wooden bridge to walk across, but wow. All these rock formations and a big cave back in there.
Let's see what's over on the other side.
And a walk around and look at it. Big? That big in there?
Oh, look at the waterfall! Right here.
Got a little waterfall there.
Well, it's dry over here at least.
Yeah. Boy, these are some big rocks.
I'm waiting for creatures to come out with these rocks.
This is awesome.
You just stand on this dry, flat one.
Hey, help me over.
Jump.
Put your foot on that rock right here, buddy.
Hello!
Hello.
This is what we meant to come and see.
Look at where we are. Look at the bear.
There it
Yeah, it
is.
was,
Wow. It's the Devil's Standtable in the rain.
Top of the pedestal.
Yeah.
Cool.
So cool.
And look what pretty leaves. There's all the fall leaves on the ground.
Yeah, there's some leaves down there. This is the trail's end. And a little stream right there under the road.
We won!
We did it!
Victory!
We sur- Here comes Mommy. We survived the Devil's Standtable.
Whoop, whoop.
We won.
We got lost, but we'll win.
We got lost, we got found.
there's a playground.
Oh yeah.
But Papa, we didn't get to see the devil.
Oh, maybe it's best. We're going on the Indian Creek Shelter Nature Trail. This was really a place where Indians took shelter, right, Cohen? Cohen has no head. Is that keeping you dry? There's his head.
Let's go.
Let's go catch up. Let's go catch up too. We're coming, we're coming. And we're at the far end of the trail. We went into the trail and went right. And now we're gonna go back.
Hi.
Are you ready to go find the waterfall?
I
Yeah.
don't want to get soaked.
A little waterfall there. It's really pretty.
Remember, you can go this way, but you can't go to here.
A little skull there where something ate it.
Burial ground. Never want to borrow the, never want to bother the Indian burial ground.
This is a beautiful walk through this part of the forest. Giant City State Park is part of the Shawnee National Forest.
Jordan boys went way up high.
Yeah, we got a little bit of fall color. Last time we were here in the summer, this was all full of water. Pretty deep.